Are you tired of dry skin and wrinkles? Perhaps you're seeking a solution that's easy, natural, and effective. Well, you're in luck because we're about to delve into a remedy that might just be the answer you've been searching for. Imagine waking up each day to smooth, hydrated skin that's radiant and free of fine lines. It's not a far-off dream, but a reality that can be achieved with a simple routine. The first step in our remedy is hydration. Hydration is the cornerstone of healthy skin. But drinking 8 glasses of water a day isn't always enough. Your skin needs hydration from the outside too. So reach out for that bottle of rosé water. A natural toner and moisturizer, rose water helps to maintain the skin's pH balance and also controls excess oil. Next, it's time to get friendly with aloe vera. This spiky green plant is a powerhouse of nutrients and hydration. Apply a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel on your face and let it work its magic. It will not only hydrate your skin, but also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Now, moving on to the third step, we have the humble but mighty coconut oil. It's time to bring this tropical treasure into your skincare routine. Warm it slightly and massage it into your skin each night before bed. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce signs of aging. But we're not done yet. The final step in our remedy involves a good night's sleep. Yes, beauty sleep is not just a myth. It's during sleep that your skin cells regenerate and repair themselves. Now, let's summarize. The remedy begins with hydrating your skin with rose water. Next, you apply a layer of aloe vera gel to further hydrate and reduce wrinkles. Then, you massage in some warmed coconut oil to provide deep moisturization and fight signs of aging. Finally, you get a good night's sleep to let your skin repair and regenerate. It may seem like a lot, but once you get into the routine, it'll become second nature. And the results? Well, they'll speak for themselves. You'll have hydrated, radiant skin that's less prone to dryness and wrinkles. Remember, the journey to beautiful skin isn't a race. It's a marathon, and with patience, consistency, and the right remedy, you're sure to cross the finish line with glowing, youthful skin. So no more dry skin, no more wrinkles, just healthy, radiant skin. And you deserve nothing less.